What if classrooms used artificial intelligence to help every student learn at their own pace? Imagine lessons personalized for every learner, teachers supported by AI tools, and an entire school system designed for the future. One country is already doing it. Singapore. Singapore is one of the smallest countries in the world. Yet its education system consistently ranks among the best globally. The country built its schools around a simple goal: prepare students for the future economy. Instead of focusing only on memorization, Singapore began investing heavily in technology innovation, digital skills. On international assessments, Singapore often leads the world in math, science, and reading. But the deeper story is how the system adapts to new challenges. Policy, infrastructure, and schools move in sync to prepare the next generation. From primary school to polytechnics and universities, the message is consistent: learn by doing. Leadership matters. Schools are guided by a long-term national vision, and that vision increasingly includes artificial intelligence. Singapore invests not just in tools, but in the capacity to use them well. The outcome: students who can apply knowledge, collaborate, and build. Singapore launched a national initiative known as Smart Nation. The goal is to integrate technology into every part of society, including education. From policy to pilot programs to scale, the rollout has been deliberate. Schools across the country began introducing coding classes, AI literacy, robotics labs, digital learning platforms. Students learn not just how to use technology, but how to create it. Deployment starts with pilots, then expands through networks of schools. Teacher training is built in from day one. Competitions and showcases make learning visible and motivating. Platforms connect data, projects, and feedback into one experience. Smart Nation set the tone for digital transformation. AI education programs introduced foundational concepts early. Digital classrooms scaled access and equity. The result is a system where innovation is routine. Artificial intelligence is beginning to transform how students learn. AI learning platforms can analyze how students solve problems and adjust lessons to match their needs. Personalization increases engagement and mastery. Teachers receive insights about where students are struggling and how to help them improve. Instead of replacing teachers, AI helps teachers teach more effectively. The right student, the right task, at the right time. Accessibility features extend support to diverse learners. Vision and language models turn devices into real-time learning assistants. Here's the loop. A student works, the AI analyzes patterns, and teachers get timely insights. The system adapts content, pacing, and feedback continuously, with safeguards for privacy, transparency, and responsible use. In language learning, AI coaches pronunciation and fluency. In math, it scaffolds problem solving. In creative subjects, it expands possibilities, guided by teachers. For learners with different needs, it opens doors. Behind the scenes, AI reduces planning time and surfaces resources. Feedback becomes faster and more precise. Families get clearer pictures of growth and next steps. The classroom shifts from lecturing to coaching. Students learn metacognition, how to learn. Small victories add up to confidence, and confidence fuels curiosity. Singapore's education system is closely connected to the country's economy. Schools focus on preparing students for industries like technology, engineering, finance, innovation. Students participate in programs that develop real-world problem-solving skills. They gather data, build prototypes, and test with users. Iteration is part of the process. Feedback improves both ideas and communication. Here are the skills that matter for the next decade. AI literacy, coding, critical thinking, collaboration. This helps ensure that education stays aligned with the needs of the future workforce. Partnerships keep curricula relevant, and they signal to students, what you learn here matters out there. Singapore's success comes from three key strategies. First, long-term planning. Education policy is designed to prepare students for the next generation of industries. Roadmaps guide investment and implementation. Second, strong teacher training. Teachers receive continuous professional development to keep up with technology. Practice, feedback, and community form the core of growth. Third, integration of technology and learning. Digital tools support teachers and students rather than replacing them. When tools fit pedagogy, outcomes improve. Planning scales through networks of schools. Teachers share what works. Industry mentors give feedback. Data helps address gaps and extend opportunity. Together, these pillars create a culture of learning and innovation. Singapore shows that the future of education is not just about technology. It's about preparing students to think, innovate, and solve problems in a rapidly changing world. As artificial intelligence reshapes industries, education systems around the globe are beginning to rethink how schools prepare the next generation. And Singapore may be showing the path forward.